Hi guys, welcome back to Child Survivor.
Hey guys, how's it go? Owen and I today are going to build a ice fishing snare trap. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some paracord, Owen's knife, 2 sticks, 3 and about 2 feet long, skin off the bark so that the wood doesn't rot. What we're going to do is we're going to tie these suckers together like this, right? So what you want to do is you're going to make a knot. Remember our slip knot? Like that, around. 1, 2, and a third one just because we feel special today. Oh, by the way, happy St. Patty's Day. Owen is wearing green. He's just hiding it. So I tried to pinch him earlier, but he showed me that. Or do you think it should count that it doesn't count if it's not showing? Pinch! Anyway. Uh-oh. Anyway, on our Patreon there'll be blueprints for 25 bucks a month. You get access to all of our blueprints to almost everything that we build. So we did a slip knot. I'm going to tie it, get it on nice and tight on the longest piece. I'm going to take the shorter piece like that. I'm going to wrap this around like that and like that. Okay, let's make sure it's nice and good and tight. And repeat. Okay, now that we got that, like this. Okay, now Owen, put your hands on my shoulders. Step on the top of there. Just show YouTube how strong it is. Look at that.
I'm surfing.
So look, I'm barely holding it up. You can see all the weight that you can put on there. No fish is going to take that away. Okay, jump down. Right, so now we have a nice sturdy T-piece. So now what we do is we lay this across the water, across the hole, and this stays flat over here. So then when we put the fishing line on here, it'll pull it up like that, and we know we caught a fish. So here's our fishing line. Can you get your knife?
Got it?
Yep. Right about there.
Here?
Down and, oh, there you go. You want to cut anybody, right?
No.
Not even ourselves.
There's
Okay, and then the same slip knot as we did when we started this. All right. Except we do 7. Oops. Okay, and then we loop this around there. Then we put our fishing hook on there. The same knot. And then you got your fishing line. You drop it down the hole. Put this over by the on either side of the hole, and this lays down away from it, so your hole's right here. Fish comes along, bing. We know we got a fish. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember,
don't get lost. It's awkward.
Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Talk to you later.
I'm gonna go fishing.
Bye.